Okay, so it's the next day. It's 5 o'clock p.m. the next day, actually. But now we're in Mystic, Connecticut. We drove up here all day. That's why it's 5. And let's just explore Mystic. We're eating at Ford's right now. It's a seafood restaurant and we have an amazing view over here. And we have not ordered our food yet, but when we do, I will show you that. So here's our food.
Government waste of money.
We're in Newport, Rhode Island. We are eating lunch right now at Marina Cafe, and it overlooks the ocean. Just the Bay Area of the ocean, but we saw the house of the people that made Worcestershire sauce and Jack Kennedy, and that yacht right there. Let's see, right there. That is the yacht of the people that own Penske. So we just got out of Fort Adams. It was amazing. I 100% suggest it if you're here. This is Fort Adams behind me, and it was built since 1840 something by 400 people, and it took 33 years to build. And I'm not a huge fan of like history or history class, but this is amazing. I totally suggest it. right, so we are now at the Cliff Walk in Newport, Rhode Island, and it's a really pretty walk, and we're about to go to the beach and get some dinner and explore a little bit more because tomorrow we're leaving Rhode Island. This mansion is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Plymouth, Massachusetts, and we just met with a family of pilgrims and we ate wild gooseberries that they just picked. They were really cool. They were like kind of tart and sour, but it was really fun. So we're now just exploring. Me and my dad already bought these necklaces. See?
Why into my phone? There you go. Making that thing.
They ring, they ching, they ring, they ching. Them goes merrily.
Do you think you know it well enough to sing it around?
Oh, see, they put it on the ground.
Whoa. Okay, so we're leaving the museum and we're going to downtown, I guess, Plymouth, where the Mayflower came in. Yes, we're going to, wait, where's Plymouth Rock? Okay, we're going to Plymouth Rock as well. And then hopefully if we have time, we might go to Harvard.
Does that matter? I don't think it does. I don't think it's about who's touched the rock. I don't think it's about the size of it.
Hey Dad, the tide gets up here and the water would too.
All right, we are here at Plymouth, Massachusetts. Like Plymouth Rock is right there. We're about to go maybe to Harvard, I think, but just sitting here. We took a walking tour. That was really cool. We learned a lot. 100% suggested if you're here. The one we went on is free. Now we're going to Harvard.
Jags here, hot dogs! Hot dogs! Oh! It's a run. There we go.